doing a cinnamon challenge.
Wait, hold on, hold this. Make sure it's facing me.
Okay.
Give me your spoon. Here's your spoon. Hold it. Don't drop it, Nimmer. Don't do it yet. We're gonna do it at the same time.
We gotta do this all.
Don't do it.
I ain't doing it.
Come on. Just don't drink it down with water. Make sure you have a soda or something. I think mine has more. See what you get. Okay. Face it this way. I don't know. Here, you do it first.
No, you do it first.
Okay, fine.
You're supposed to do it because I see other people do it. You okay? You okay?
Ugh.
You okay? You need some soda? Here you go.
I don't know what was supposed to happen. I don't know what happened. Oh, they're right. That does burn. Realize I didn't drink no water.
Yeah, I ain't doing that.
Don't mind it. You have to.
No,
Come on. This is just put it, spit it out.
I got sensitive mouth.
Please just clean this out. Not me clean it out.
What the heck is that?
I don't know what that green stuff is.
Huh?
What's that taste look like?
There it is.
It's cinnamon? We should have did this in the bathroom sink. Get rid of the evidence. Ugh.
Yeah, you should have done this.
Get a paper towel, Dingle. Where's your napkins?
I'm afraid to do it now.
You have to do it now.
No,
Just don't make sure it don't go back in your throat. I'll have your drink and everything ready. Here. Stop using that thing. You're gonna get the all dirty.
I can't pick it up.
Ew. Okay, we're gonna do this in the bathroom while you do yours. Or do it over the wait, don't do it yet. I don't have it on recording. You prick. Don't do it yet. Leave it sit there for a minute. Go get more napkins. Ew.
That's this. We had that whole thing when we coded too.
That's gonna go on YouTube. Oh, show Sierra and be like, Sierra, look, I did a cinnamon challenge. Rinse this off. Go in the bathroom and rinse that off.
Ew.
I'm gonna need more than fucking 2 napkins, dummy.
There you go.
You gotta just bring the whole paper.
That's why the offense, that's ground cinnamon.
Don't you have regular cinnamon?
No.
I think that's what they use. I don't know. They say cinnamon. No, it's not.
of a mouth than you.
So, hold on. Let's go into the bathroom again. So I think it'll be easier to clean out.
What are you doing this?
Come on. I'll take my drink back.
This is ground cinnamon. It's different than cinnamon.
That's what they use.
How you know?
Because they watched all the videos and you have to get marshmallows and do it, Chubby Bunny. Make sure the lights on so they won't be able to see. Turn it while you put it in.
Huh?
Do it. Do it, Dominic! You have to do it, I did it! Do it, I did it!
Have a face.
Don't, come on, it only burns for a minute and then spit it out.
I got sensitive mouth.
You did the sword and stuff, so you'll be fine. You cheated! Do it! Dominic, no, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Do it! Do it, come on. I'm gonna pee my pants if you don't hurry up. Do it.
It's actually pretty good.
You didn't do it all! You didn't do it all, you cheater. It's not gonna burn from you because you didn't do it all.
Mm-hmm.
Is your mouth dry? Huh? Is your mouth dry? Is it?
Stop, man.
Drink down with swish it out. Swish it out with that. Swish it out. It looks like shit. My throat still burns. Oh, I can feel it in the back of my throat still. I got to pee. Come on. Clean that sink out. I'm not cleaning that shit out. Clean your sink out. I'll go get napkins. Oh, we only have 43 seconds left before it goes off. Hurry, clean that. I gotta pee. Gotta pee! Ew, you made bigger mess than I did.
Huh?
Why did you stop it right there? You're gonna make a bigger mess.
No. Shut up, sink.
You got it all over. The sink was already dirty though.
No, it wasn't.